Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very spicy and delicious penny pasta. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like these videos, leave your comments and also share the video, okay? And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's just dive into the video. And here are my ingredients for this delicious penny pasta. So here I have my roughly blended pepper and tatashi. Here is carrots and spring onions. You can use any vegetable of your choice. And here is my chopped onions, my chopped fresh tomatoes, my beef. I cut this beef into tribes. And here is my minced garlic and ginger. Here is my chili sauce. You can omit it, you can use ketchup. So here is dark soya sauce. And here is my oyster sauce. So for my penny, this is the brand I'm using. This penny, simply penny. So this is the brand I'm using. You can use any pasta of your choice, okay? You can use any pasta of your choice. So guys, I'm going to start now to season my beef, and to that I will add in my minced garlic and ginger, and then I will go in with my oregano. You can use thyme, so I'll add in oregano. You can use thyme if you don't have oregano. Just go in with any spice or seasoning of your choice, okay? And then I will add in curry powder. Curry powder here is not compulsory. You can omit it if you don't want to, okay? Just leave it. And then I will add in my all-purpose seasoning. I will add in my chili pepper. I won't be adding any oil to this because I will still be stir frying this. I'm just going to mix this properly to combine everything together. And then I'm going to cover this and allow this to rest for about 30 to 45 minutes. But if you don't have time, you can just go ahead and start stir frying. So guys, after 30 minutes I just heated up my oil and then I started stir frying. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, help me to share this video, okay? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So guys, I'm going to stir fry this until the meat is well cooked, okay? Because I'm not cooking this meat further, you're just going to stir fry, we're not cooking. So I'm going to make sure that your meat is very well cooked, and I'm doing this on medium to low heat. So when I'm sure that my meat is ready, I did this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So when I'm sure that my meat is ready, like well cooked the way I want it, I'll now go ahead to start adding in my pepper and tatashi. I'm going to stir this, allow this to fry for a few minutes, okay? I'll add in my chopped tomatoes now. I'm going to stir this to combine everything, and then I will cover this pot, allow this to cook or fry. So a few minutes later, I will come back to season my sauce. So I'm going to be adding in my seasoning cube. And then I'll go in with my chili sauce. I'm going to mix this very well and then allow this to fry for a few minutes, okay? And then I'm going to take this down now to start cooking my pasta. Guys, have you subscribed to our channel? Have you liked this video? Have you shared this video? Have you please help me to like, share and do other beautiful stuffs, okay? So guys, here is my water for the pasta. I'm just going to cover the pot, allow this water to come up to a boil before adding in my pasta. So now that the water is boiling, I will just add in salt, stir this and then add in my pasta. So guys, I'll add in the pasta now and then I'm going to stir this pasta, cover the pot and allow this pasta to cook. I cook this pasta for about 9 to 10 minutes, but the instruction on the pack says cook for 8 to 9 minutes. I cook this for let me say 12 minutes, okay, because I don't want my pasta strong. I want it like a little bit soft. So here is the pasta is ready. I'm going to sieve it out now and then bring back my sauce. Guys, I hope you have shared this video. I hope you have liked this video. So to my sauce here, I'm going to add in a little bit of the pasta water. If you have stock water, you can use stock water, but I don't have, so I added in pasta water. I'm going to stir this now, allow this to boil for some time, or rather cook for some time, then I will come back. So now I'm going to be adding in the chopped onions. If you don't like seeing onions in your food, you can just blend it, or if you don't like onions at all, just skip it, but add in the onions, okay? Don't skip it, you can just blend it if you don't want to see it. I'm going to stir this now and then I'll add in my pasta. I'll add in my vegetables now. That's the carrots and the spring onions. You can freestyle this with any vegetable of your choice, okay? And then I will add in my dark soya sauce and my oyster sauce. Please be careful with your seasoning because the oyster sauce also has seasonings, okay, like it's sweet. So be careful the way you season this so that you will not end up with like salty pasta. I know you will not like. And then I'm going to mix this very well to combine everything together. And guys, our delicious penne pasta is ready. This came out so delicious. You can recreate this recipe with any pasta of your choice, okay? Must not be penne. Guys, I want you to try this. You are going to love this. If you have kids, your kids are going to enjoy this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, help me to share this video, and also leave your comment for me in the comment section. I love to read your feedback, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.